Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we're assembling the Amalfi Lounger. Inside the box, you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list, you will see lounger adjuster. These should already be in the legs of the bed. Please allow up to 30 minutes, although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box you should have these components: the bed, backrest, left arm, right arm, axle, 2 wheels, and the adjuster bar. Pro tip: place a big lock washer, part J, then the big flat washer, part I, onto the bolts labelled part H. These will have the hexagonal top. You can repeat this process for parts M, N and O. Using 3 of the bolts labelled part H, loosely attach the bed to the left arm. Now attach the adjuster bar to the left arm using one of the bolts labelled K. The next step is to attach the axle through the left arm and onto the wheel. Make sure the plastic is on the inside. Now secure with the bolts part M, going through the wheel and into the axle. Now turn the part assembled lounger onto its side and then slot the backrest into the left arm. Now slot the right arm into the axle, adjuster bar, backrest and the bed. Repeat the process using the corresponding bolts. Now tighten all bolts using the Allen key provided and a spanner. Be careful not to over tighten, as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. Place the 2 PVC covers over bolt K, the screws used for the adjuster bar, and twist the lounger adjusters to the desired height to ensure stability. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.